Before the storm, you hold on to a piece of home. Then, the world ignites. You fight with everything you have, side by side with your brothers. But in the chaos, you watch them fall one by one. And when the smoke clears, you're the only one left standing, alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you the newest AI features called script to video. You have seen a lot of AI created video and you wonder how they create one. In this video I will show you how you create a video with just text or idea. And CapCut automatically create them for you in few minutes. Watch me how I do it. Now, one thing I want to mention, not everyone has this feature yet. CapCut release AI tools gradually depending on your country and your app version. So it's normal if you can't find it in your app. This is what you will do. You download a VPN to lock your location, maybe Proton VPN. So with that your location changed to some European regions that support the AI feature. So once you have done that, click on template on the home screen. At the top, you will find a search bar. Type the word AI Story Maker to search for the features. It brings a red heart image. If it doesn't appear, retip and search again. It appears immediately. Click on the red heart image shown at the top to start your creation. CapCut automatically open a space for to create and make your video from just text. So let's do an example together. I will type something like, "Stop overthinking, start small, stay connected. Your growth is coming." Now tap Generate. CapCut will process your script and automatically create text caption, transition and music, video clips. You can also paste full paragraphs if you want longer video. This usually takes a few seconds. Now quick reminder before we move on. YouTube may not recommend this exact video again and I want you to stay connected for the full process. So for that please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. Once you're done generating your video, here is the most important part. Do not export immediately. I'll give you a base, but you still need to customize it. Change the font to your brand style. Adjust the clip timing. Replace stock footage with your own. Add sound effect, and add motion blur or transition manually. These are the reasons you need to subscribe to stay connected while I continue the tutorial on how you turn AI into generated video.
Stop overthinking. Start small, your growth is coming.
Let me know your opinion on this video in the comment section. Till then, keeps growing. See you in the next video to your own original monetizable content.